Learn English to Gujarati business words. Added value to.
खर्च-लाभ गुणोत्तर.
Welcome to Smart Gujarati. Hey, you are about to learn business Gujarati without falling asleep in a spreadsheet. Let us make these big words feel friendly, useful, and slightly ridiculous. Today you will learn 8 useful words in Gujarati. Added value is.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
Benefit is.
લાભ.
Resource is.
સંસાધન.
Effort is.
પ્રયાસ.
Efficiency is.
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
Effectiveness is.
અસરકારકતા.
Profitability is.
નફાકારકતા.
And cost-benefit ratio is.
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
Yes, some of them are long. No, they are not trying to personally attack you. The office of glorious chaos. Picture this. You walk into an office where one stapler is missing, 3 people are panicking, and one manager is using a fern as a pointer. Perfect learning environment. On the wall, a poster says, "Good design creates."
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
Next to it, another poster says, "Every smart choice brings."
લાભ.
Quote. In the corner, the intern guards the printer paper like it is a national treasure, because paper, time, and coffee are all.
સંસાધન.
Meanwhile, you are trying to open a stubborn jar of office snacks. That, my friend, requires
પ્રયાસ.
If someone opens it quickly with no mess, that is
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
If the jar actually contains snacks and not rubber bands, that is
અસરકારકતા.
If the office sells the snacks for more than they cost, that is
નફાકારકતા.
And if the manager compares the price of the snack machine with the joy of the team, they are thinking about
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
word by word, like a clever parrot. Now let us slow down and repeat the key words clearly. You listen, smile, and maybe point dramatically at invisible charts. Added value.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
Example. This service gives
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
to the product. Benefit.
લાભ.
Example. This plan gives a clear
લાભ.
resource.
સંસાધન.
Example. Time is a valuable
સંસાધન.
effort.
પ્રયાસ.
Example. This task needs a lot of
પ્રયાસ.
efficiency.
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
Example.
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
Saves both time and energy. Effectiveness.
અસરકારકતા.
Example. The
અસરકારકતા.
of the medicine was clear. Profitability.
નફાકારકતા.
Example.
નફાકારકતા.
Is important for a business. Cost-benefit ratio.
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
Example. A good
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
makes the project attractive. Tiny dialogue, big vocabulary. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine 2 coworkers, one smart and one suspiciously excited about pie charts. A. Why is this product special? B. It offers
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
A. Is there any real benefit? B. Yes, there is clear.
લાભ.
For customers. A. What do we need to finish the project? B. More time, more data, and better.
સંસાધન.
A. Can we finish this today? B. Yes, but it will take real
પ્રયાસ.
A. How can we save time? B. We need more
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
A. Does this method really work? B. Yes, it's
અસરકારકતા.
is high. A. Sales increased. Are we happy? B. Only if
નફાકારકતા.
improved too. A. Should we buy the machine? B. Let us check the
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
first. Do not mix these up. Some of these words are close friends. Some are cousins. Some borrow money and never return it. Let us sort them out. A.
લાભ.
Is a benefit, something good you get.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય.
Is added value, the extra goodness that makes something better than basic.
કાર્યક્ષમતા.
Is efficiency, doing things with less waste of time or energy.
અસરકારકતા.
is effectiveness, meaning something truly works well. A machine can be fast but not useful, so it may have
कार्यक्षमता,
but poor.
असरकारकता,
And a business can have big sales but weak.
नफाकारकता.
That is why adults stare at spreadsheets as if they are reading ancient prophecy. Memory tricks that are slightly silly. You remember funny things better, so let us be a little weird on purpose. Imagine a plain potato putting on sunglasses and suddenly claiming it has.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય,
Imagine a golden coin singing the word,
લાભ,
like it just won a talent show. Imagine a treasure chest full of water, books, and pens labeled.
સંસાધન,
Imagine a lazy cat lifting one paw and calling it massive.
પ્રયાસ,
Imagine a robot ironing its tie and shouting, I choose.
કાર્યક્ષમતા,
Quote. Imagine a superhero called Captain Results flying past with a cape that says.
અસરકારકતા,
Imagine a shopkeeper hugging a giant coin and whispering lovingly.
નફાકારકતા,
Imagine a tomato accountant refusing luxury shoes until the
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
improves. Quick challenge. Your turn. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, no problem. The vocabulary police are off duty. What is the Gujarati word for added value?
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય,
What is the Gujarati word for benefit?
લાભ,
What is the Gujarati word for resource?
સંસાધન,
What is the Gujarati word for effort?
પ્રયાસ,
What is the Gujarati word for efficiency?
કાર્યક્ષમતા,
What is the Gujarati word for effectiveness?
અસરકારકતા,
What is the Gujarati word for profitability?
નફાકારકતા,
What is the Gujarati word for cost-benefit ratio?
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
One last useful scene. Let us finish with one final business scene, so the words stick together in your mind like notes on a very worried manager's desk. A startup team in Ahmedabad is planning a new app. They want features that create.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય,
For users, they discuss the customer.
લાભ,
Carefully, they check whether they have enough,
સંસાધન,
including time, money, and people. Everyone puts in serious.
પ્રયાસ,
Then they improve the workflow for better.
કાર્યક્ષમતા,
After testing, they measure the apps.
અસરકારકતા,
Finally, investors ask about.
નફાકારકતા,
And the overall.
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
Congratulations, you now understand the meeting better than the guy nodding confidently while secretly thinking about lunch. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You handled big Gujarati business words like a champ. Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating these words out loud.
વધારાનું મૂલ્ય, લાભ, સંસાધન, પ્રયાસ, કાર્યક્ષમતા, અસરકારકતા, નફાકારકતા,
And
ખર્ચ-લાભ ગુણોત્તર.
practice a little every day, use the words in your own sentences, and come back whenever you want another friendly round of English to Gujarati learning.